One of the biggest challenges in rubber production is the recycling of rubber. But is rubber really non-recyclable?
The biggest myth is rubber can't be recycled, and that used to be true for a long time as the vulcanization changes the chemical structure permanently. But we changed the game and are able, with our technology, to produce valuable products out of end-of-life products in a good manner.
But how can rubber actually be recycled? The key is a process called pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is an alternative approach that breaks down rubber waste back into its basic chemical components to open the door to reuse rubber products. Through controlled heating in a low-oxygen environment, old end-of-life products are split up into very basic chemical components. After cleaning, this process yields three main products: pyrolysis gas, similar to natural gas, recycled carbon black, and the focus component of Contitech's new process, a high-quality purified pyrolysis oil. All of these products become new raw materials to be fed into processes to create new products.
And by our innovation lies in the combination of the thermal pyrolysis with the cleaning and purification step. And by this, we can produce a pyrolysis oil which meets all the standards of the petrochemical industry in a very high quality. And with this patented and new technology for us, we are able to produce oil which is in a quality that it can substitute crude oil.
An effort that pays off. With using used-up materials and products from customer side and using pyrolysis to create them as new raw materials, a completely new value stream can be created. Customers also gain a circularity solution that meets their sustainability goals without compromising performance. The next step is to deepen their understanding of how the material behaves in pyrolysis and how it fits into the overall material portfolio. From there, the focus shifts to scaling the technology, integrating it globally, and ultimately making these material-driven solutions available to customers.